Hello, I'm Jamie Newbold from CR Real Estate, and today I am in Newnham Close in Twydall at this extended family home. Now this could be the perfect move for you and I'll explain why. But first of all, come inside and have a look around. So internally, this property has been extended to the ground floor. So we've got this lovely lounge area leading onto the dining room and conservatory. We've got a spacious fitted kitchen and we've got the shower room to the ground floor. So the first floor offers 3 double bedrooms and this separate lovely family bathroom. So the rear garden has been well maintained by the current owners and offers a range of different trees and shrubs. The birds certainly seem to like it. So I said earlier on that this could be the perfect move for you. Now let me explain why. Newnham Close is a short walk from a range of shops and pubs. We're a few minutes drive from Tesco Express, and we're also just a few minutes walk from Rain & Mark Grammar School, which is the only mixed grammar school in Medway, rated good on their most recent Ofsted inspection. So the real bonus with this property is the fact that we've got off-street parking and a garage, which is a real bonus for any family. This really is a great size family home in a great area. So if you think this could be a property that you may be interested in, get in touch with us using the details below.